we are sending temperature data read from a sensor on our board through a Raspberry Pi Pico, programmed with MicroPython and our proprietary library. And when we press this button, we can see the temperature, and we can see the temperature here that's arrived on the network server.
I'm here talking with Riccardo and Daniela.
Good morning.
From Embit, and you guys make wireless modules and gateways, right?
Yes, we are a designer and producer of radio modules in an IoT environment application, especially working with IEEE 802.15.4, wireless and bus, and LoRaWAN and LoRa application. And to make a LoRaWAN application, obviously also gateways are needed, and we produce gateways based on Raspberry modules.
Oh, excellent.
In an industrial environment, we use the CM4 to power up our mainboard, but we also do compact and indoor gateways, which are based on the Raspberry Pi, also
nice.
5, which is the new arrival.
So in terms of these little modules here, are these the individual LoRa modules that you make?
On the first line, you can see our LoRaWAN suite.
Okay.
The first two modules works in below 1 GHz frequency,
okay.
So 868 MHz for Europe, but 915 MHz for US, and depending on the regional parameters. And on the right, you can see the MBLR 1280s, which is a new module which works with 2.4 GHz LoRaWAN.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
cool.
It's quite interesting because it doesn't have duty cycle limitation, and it can be used worldwide, since 2.4 GHz is it can be used not depending on the region. Yes.
Nice. So obviously these are modules. Are there evaluation boards as well for testing them?
Yes. If you come there, you can see that we have some evaluation board. And,
excellent.
Our colleague Davide makes a demonstration of LoRaWAN network, sending the information get from the temperature sensor on the evaluation board to a Pico cell, which is connected below the desk due to
nice.
power need. Yes.
For example, this is powered by Pico,
Lovely.
Raspberry Pi Pico, and when you press this button, he reads the temperature from a sensor, and is sending through LoRaWAN.
And we can
see on the web this is
excellent.
the temperature.
Cool.
Okay, and if I press again, another temperature.
Nice.
So example.
And we have for this we have a Python library.
Okay.
So we can program or the module directly through serial port or through the Pico.
Excellent. Thank you, David.
Thank you.
Cool.
This is also because all of our modules have micro-embedded.
Oh, yes.
Because we trust in this kind of architecture, because you can use it directly with your sensor and your application, but you also can use it as a modem with 80 commands. But obviously, with a micro-embedded, you can build your own application directly on our module. So it could be useful. Yes.
Excellent. So it's the beginning of the second day of the show. How have you found Maker Faire Rome 2023 so far?
Well, for us it's the first time, because our main customer are business and enterprises, but it's quite interesting. Today is very crowded, and well, it's very fun.
Cool, excellent. Well, enjoy the rest of the show, Riccardo.
Yes,
and
thank you
so much for telling us about Embit. So Embit, that's 2.4 gigahertz LoRa, which I've not come across before, at least in my writings for ipXchange. So this is a very exciting one, and the benefits that brings to your system are very, very good. Just read what I've written below. There's quite a lot to go through on it, but global connectivity is certainly a big plus. So if you'd like to evaluate this technology for your next IoT build, head to the board form, learn more, and apply to evaluate.